Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check manufacture date of your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. So the easiest way, I think, and the most reliable one is by checking the BIOS of your PC, and to do so open the Start menu, then go to Power Options, select Shutdown, wait until your device is turned off, and now to enter the BIOS menu, you have to short press the power button to turn your device on, and before it starts launching, start repeatedly press F2 button until you see entering setup message in the top right corner of your screen. So now let's try this. Short press the power button and then repeatedly press F2. At some point you will see this message, and now you can navigate in your BIOS menu using your touchpad. For example, what I want you to do is expand the general section and go to System Information. Here in System Information you can find both manufacture date, which is 31st of July 2020, and the ownership date too, which is the January 18, 2021. And that's how you do it. Now to exit this menu, just click exit in the bottom right corner of your screen. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.